Hello everyone. In today's quality management class, we are going to solve one of the question from RT old paper, and this is the example of consumer risk beta. So the given question is like that: compute the consumer risk for the single sampling scheme from a batch of 2000 items with LTPD is equal to 0.01 and the sample size is given 15 and acceptance number is equal to 1. So the solution is like that. We know that LTPD is the load tolerance proportion defective, that is the worst level of quality that the consumer can tolerate, and we have to calculate the consumer risk, and we know that the consumer risk, that is beta, is the probability of the accepting a load with LTPD quality. So ultimately we have to calculate the probability of accepting a load, and this is the given in the question that n is equal to 2000, small n is equal to 15 and C is equal to 1 and LTPD is equal to 1% or the 0.01. And since we know that the load will be accepted if C or the fewer non-conforming items are found, then the probability of load acceptance formula is like that: PA is equal to P, that is small p, x less than C less than equal to C is equal to summation x is equal to 0 to C and px. Here px means probability of x, and we know that the binomial distribution can be used to find the probability of observing x non-conforming or the x defective items in a sample of size n. Then the binomial distribution formula is this, that is probability of x is equal to n combination x multiply p to the power x multiply 1 minus p to the power n minus x. So by using the binomial distribution formula, we are going to calculate the probability of acceptance, that is the PA, and the PA is equal to P uh, uh, Px, where x is less than equal to 1, that is probability x is less than equal to 1 is equal to summation x is equal to 0 to 1, that and probability of x. So we can write like that: probability of x less than equal to 1 means probability at x is equal to 0 plus probability at x is equal to 1. So we know that how to calculate this. Once put x is equal to 0, then again put x is equal to 1 in the px formula, then we get this term. So when we put x is equal to 0, we get this 15 combination 0. We uh, call this term combination 15 combination 0 multiply 0.01, that is p to the power 0. Here p is the given in the question, that is LTPD, then 0.01 to the power 0 multiply 1 minus p to the power 15 minus 0 plus 15 combination 1 multiply all this value. So we get the first term is equal to 0.8600 and the second term when x is equal to 1 is equal to 0.1303. So the total PA is equal to 0.9903. So now the consumer risk beta or the probability accepting is equal to 0.9903. This is our answer.